Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. And today I'd like to talk about contributions into the 401k plan and divorce. You know, in the context of every divorce, we have to divide up the marital assets. The marital assets are considered those assets that are accumulated during the marriage. Some assets are continued to accumulate during the marriage, but they originated before. Some were developed strictly during the marriage, but either way, in the context of a divorce, we have to divide up those assets, and they include a lot of things. They may include houses, boats, investments, and they may include the 401k plan. So the question is, if you've got a 401k plan and you're contributing to it all the time, should you continue to contribute if you know you're getting divorced? This becomes important because you got to understand that the more you contribute, roughly speaking, every dollar that you contribute into that plan, 50 cents is going to the other side as you divide up the 401k plan. So if you're thinking of getting a divorce, rather than continuing to contribute to a plan, ultimately to have that contribution split, you might think of other strategies or talk to your lawyer about whether or not you should continue that same level of contribution. There are some who say that you should not do that. But think about what happens. If you don't contribute to the plan, what happens? That money goes into your regular check. It's not contributed to the plan. You just end up taking more money, and you end up taking more taxable money. So yes, the other side doesn't participate in that contribution, but neither do you. So the question is, should we cut off one's nose to spite one's face? That's really what that boils down to. So obviously there are very significant strategical moves that have to be discussed if you're making these determinations of whether or not to contribute. Now, it makes a big difference if you're thinking of getting divorced and you could stop contributing a year or two in advance because you're not really thinking of getting divorced. It's a long-range plan versus whether or not you're getting divorced next week and you're thinking about what to do with this week's check. Obviously, those are different scenarios. If you have questions about that, reach out to us and we'll be glad to help you out. And obviously, if you found this helpful, please like and share.